Hey everyone, welcome back to my video, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime. So if you haven't seen my other video, go check it out where I made slime with toothpaste and stuff. No, not with toothpaste, with glue and all that stuff. Well, I left it for like 5 days and now it's really good. I got one of my containers. What I put it in. Don't worry about that. That was just the barcode. I just scraped it off, just so you guys couldn't see. So the thing I like about the slime is it goes like this. 2 seconds. And it like makes weird noises, and also like it's very like stretchy, guys. Like I'm gonna try to make a bubble just for you. Okay. So you have to stretch it out like this. This stretches like, oh sorry guys, stretches really far. Like I'm not kidding. Like it's like I don't know how it's so stretchy. Okay. I have no clue how. It just is. And I'm going to be making a bubble for you. Ready? That was really bad. Let me try that again. So, like, when you rip it apart like that, it's like it doesn't come together straight away, look. You have to like play with it and stuff. And then you have to like stretch it. It's like really fun. It's really like squishy and stuff. And I'm going to try the bubble once more. Ready? There we go. Whoa, it's literally like giant. What happens if I put a spoon on it? Oh my god, it doesn't even break. Just go down a little bit, but people say that you can just put it back up again. You cannot put it back up again. Look guys, like it doesn't break unless like you make a hole in it like that. Like that it just breaks. Not like forever. Just a bubble. So yeah, it's like I never tried to bounce it. I'm sorry. It's not that bouncy. But yeah. So it's really, really fun. I like, just like, it's like the funnest thing I've ever actually like played with. So yeah, I'm gonna try one of them professional like things where they go like that and stuff. Okay. And I'm not a professional, so it probably won't be good. Ready, guys? Comment down below if you think it's good. It's so soothing, it's so nice. Yeah, it's stretchable, it's like it's non-sticky, like I said in the video. It smells a bit. Yeah. I'll show you a video on that. The video is full. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you think this slime's really cool and you want me to do a recap on it, just comment down below and I'll do another recap. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment, and leave a message down below, because I'm going to be doing the Never Have I Ever challenge once I get around about 20 questions, even 15. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.